Alright, got my new intake here. Have my gasket sitting on the intake. As you can see, you have this obstruction in the middle here. So, get some marks on it. Gonna cut those out so our carburetor will not hit the metal pieces in the middle. And we should be good to go. Then we can clean this guy up and go from there. Alright, I got this intake about as clean as I can get it with wire wheels and wire brushes and steel wool and all that good stuff. Ain't perfect, but it works. Next best thing would have been to sandblast it, but that's not an option right now. I also have this old Chrysler blue. A couple cans of it here. Hopefully it still works. Not be sure if you can buy this in the store anymore, but we got it. Got to put a paint on this guy and see how she looks. Some fresh paint. A slightly modified top here. We're almost there. Looking much better. So I pulled all the plugs out of this thing before I cleaned it up. And this hole right here is a little wonky. I could not find a tap that anybody had in stock for 3/8 pipe thread. So I got myself a nipple. I'm going to cut some slots in the nipple. Hopefully we can chase the threads out with it. Alright, just cut some slots in the threads. As you see here. It's good to do with bolts or pipe nipples if you gotta clean some threads out and you can't find the tap. This one was actually able to use. Got my mini pipe wrench here. Make sure we get any garbage out of threads here, so we can put a plug in it. The other hole next to it is the one that was not working very well. Okay. Unfortunately, no one around had a 3/8 pipe tap in stock. Could order it, but I'll get this done. Okay. It feels crusty in there. Back and forth a few times. Hopefully we can get chunk out of threads here. It's always something with used parts, but better off checking all your threads now before you install it. And if any are stuck, because you can't get one last plug in or something stupid like that. I think we got it. Let's try the good side. One more shot with this thing. See if we got her. So you get this. So I'll pull the old intake out of the car. Get this guy in. think we might be good here. I think we got her. As you can see, I got everything mocked up here. Carburetor fits on her nice. The bolts in there loosely. So we'll be ready to go soon here. Alright, we are good to go. I got the new pipe plugs installed. I think we are ready to go.